Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. If you've had enough of this, taking up space in your backpack generally being an absolute pain when you need cordage fast, time to look at this. This is the Spool It system from the great people over at Spool It. If you're interested in this, I will leave a link in the description below of where you can get hold of this and where you can find out more. But for now, let's talk about what this is, how it works and what can be achieved with it. So Spool It is quite a new concept and there's going to be some new products coming soon, but at the moment this is Spool It in its present form in late 2020. So what it is, it's a system by which you can control your cordage in a safe, efficient and space-saving manner. Now it comes in a couple of different sizes, the set that you can buy. You have the large here, which fits very neatly into an Altoids tin. See the logo on there. You have a medium, which is this one here. And you have the small, which is the same size as the medium, but it doesn't have the protrusions here. So as you can see, it is made out of a rigid plastic and this thing will not break. I really have tried to bend it and it does not want to go. So even wrapped tightly, it's not going to be damaged. It allows you to control your cordage and store it however you want to. Really, your imagination is the limit here. I've seen people use these as hand fishing lines, as kind of like restraint systems for hanging pots up over fires, all sorts of things. And the fact that they fit into an Altoids tin I think is a really neat feature, because a lot of people like to create survival kits and such out of Altoids tins. I think that's really neat. So how much cordage can you fit onto these Spool Its? Well, the large one here, people are getting up to 5 meters of 550 paracord on there. That's a decent amount of cordage right there, especially considering you can actually split it up more if you need to. This one here, I managed to get 1.5 meters of 550 paracord on, and it's such a small package that can fit in your pocket, no problem at all. Obviously, if you use smaller cordage, you can get a lot more on. This one is the small, and I've got 25 meters of Kevlar cord on there. That's insane. And yeah, like I say, the sky's the limit as to how you want to thread it and how you want to utilize it. This one I've actually made a lanyard for, so you can attach it to your wrist and have it on you whenever you want. So there you go, that's pretty much a Spool It in its present form. Be sure to check them out on social media. Again, like I said, I will leave the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.